Welcome back to another learning video. In today's video, we are going to learn about polygons. Now, what are polygons? So, polygons are nothing but they are 2D shape, which means they will only have length and the width. They do not have any depth or the height with them. And it's like 2D shape, which is having straight lines. Okay, so polygons are nothing but it's a 2D shape with straight lines, and you can, since it's a 2D shape, so you can draw it on the flat surface, that is or a Cartesian plane. Okay, now next we are having with us is the types of polygons. So there are two main different types of polygons we have with us. One is a regular polygon, another one is an irregular polygon. Now we'll see what are the properties of regular polygons and what are they, and also we'll see what are irregular polygons. Mainly we are focusing on regular polygons. So regular polygons are the polygons which are having the same side lengths. All the side lengths will be of same length, and also the interior and the exterior angle will also be same in these regular polygons, whereas in irregular polygons, the side length will be different and also the angles will be different. Okay, so now we'll see regular polygon. So it's a 2D shape, and the minimum it's a 2D shape and it's a closed figure, and minimum number of sides it can have is 3. So as you can see, we have with us is an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides will be of same length and all the angles are also of the same length. So the like minimum side length it should have, minimum sides it should have is 3. Okay, then next we are having is a square. Its square is, in square also we have all the four sides of same length and all the angles of the same measurement, that is 90 90 90. Then we have regular pentagon. Then you can have so many different so as you can see over here, triangle, quadrilateral we are having square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. If it is having 7 sides, so we call it as a heptagon. 8 sides, octagon, nonagon, decagon, hendecagon. 11 sides, 12 sides, dodecagon. 17 sides, heptagon. Then 20 sides, icosagon. And since if we do not know how many number of sides are there, so we call it as n-gon. So it can have, if suppose if some polygon is having like 30 sides, so you can say 30 gone, like this way you can write, and will represent over here the number of sides it is having. Okay, so and one more thing you should know, that regular polygons are always convex. What do you mean by why they are always convex, and what is the meaning of convex over here? That is, all the interior angle measures will be less than 180. So all the angles, interior angles of that polygon will be of 180 degree. Okay, then we'll see few more properties of it. So first one is a polygon is a 2D figure with more than 3 sides, 3 or more than 3 sides. Okay, then second property it is having, how to calculate, how to measure the interior and the exterior angle of a polygon. Okay, in the next video I will also solve the questions based on these polygons. Today I'm just showing you the properties of it. Okay, so the exterior angle, now suppose if you want to find the exterior angle of a polygon, so how can you find it out? Exterior angle, the addition, the summation of all the exterior angles of the polygon will be 360. Okay, so you will divide 360 with n. Now what is n? N is a number of side. Now if you want to know the interior angle of a polygon, so what you will do, you will since it's 180, so 180 multiplied by n minus 2. Now what is n over here? Number of sides. And this whole total, first you will find out the total uh, sum of the interior angles, and then if you want to know about one particular, so you will divide that with n, so where n refers to the number of side. Okay, now let's see next. So the sum of the interior and the exterior angles at point is always 180, as they form a linear pair of angles. Now what does this mean? So now suppose if we are having like this way, So this is an interior angle. Okay, now if I will extend this, so this will get an exterior angle. So the addition of these two will always be 180, as they are forming a straight line, as they are a supplementary angle, straight angles. Okay, so that's why the summation of interior angle and the exterior angle will be 180. Okay, this is the meaning of this point. Next we have with us, for an n-sided polygon, if you are having an n-sided polygon, the number of diagonals can be calculated. Now we want to know how many diagonals will be there. So you can calculate with the formula n in a bracket n minus 3 divided by 2. Now again here n will represent the number of sides, how many number of sides it is having. Okay, now the next one we have with us is an irregular polygon. So irregular polygon is the total opposite of a regular polygon. So in irregular polygon you will not have any side of the same length, even the angles will also be not equal to each other. So you can see over here, trapezium, you can have irregular pentagon, where everything, all the sides will be of the different length, and also the angles will also be of different length. Both interior and the exterior, they both will be of a different measurement. Okay, irregular dodecagon you can also see. So irregular polygons can either be convex or concave. Now what is a convex means? It is the interior angles will be less than 180. Either they will be acute or obtuse. Now what is an acute? Greater than 0, less than 90. What is an obtuse? It will be less than 180, greater than 90. Okay, so irregular polygon can be of two different types. One is a convex and one is a concave. Now what is a convex? So the interior angles will either be acute or a obtuse. And then concave polygon, so at least one angle in them will be greater than 180. So as you can see, we are having with us is a hexagon. It's an irregular hexagon, and this one angle is greater than 180. Okay, this is the meaning.